Welcome everyone. So this is the faceted Traheptrix. So this puzzle is one that I made actually quite a while ago, and I just haven't shared till now because I've been doing other stuff. It was born out of basically two needs. One is that I just really wanted a Traheptrix, and they're kind of hard to come by because I think so. That's a puzzle originally by Oscar van Deventer, and they're only on Shapeways, and Shapeways pricing for puzzles is kind of bad. Um, so, just because they charge based off of the number of parts, if I remember right, or at least they used to. I don't know what the status is there. Anyway, I wanted one. I also, this was earlier on in my puzzle designing, and so I also needed something to just test out some of the different, like, what kind of tolerances and gaps do you want between the pieces, and what kind of mechanism do you want for something like this. And I have some ideas for stuff like this that I want to do that are a bit more complicated, so this seemed like a nice starting point. The blue is just because the blue PLA Plus I was trying out was on sale, but I tried to pick sticker colors to go with it, and this is the result. So how does it turn? So you've got this base here, and then there are two turning axes, each with three-way symmetry. So I'll show that. See. So there's some turns. And again, each turning axis just has three-way symmetry. So it's, for people who are familiar with this one, it's a lot like the Traheptrix. The Traheptrix, I think, has a base piece, but it's hidden in there by the cuts. The way they did the exterior, the cuts out, or the extensions out to the exterior shape. Anyway, but yeah, the Traheptrix is similar, where you've got two cuts on either side with three-way symmetry like this. And then 1, 2, 3. So essentially, these are very similar puzzles. It's just the angles between the turning axes are a little bit different in this one. Which gives you 7-pointed stars instead of 5-pointed stars. And then there's also one additional piece type present here. And then something that I did just to improve the symmetry, so the caps go all the way around like this, so these three stickers are all just on the cap. And same with these three, but I like the way it looked with the full 7-pointed star on here. So this is the faceted Traheptrix, and turning quality is fine. It's a little rattly because I hadn't quite settled how to, or I guess where to put the gaps between the pieces, but it still works really well. And this one's exciting too because I expect it probably requires the help of a computer to solve. I don't know. I've been really curious about puzzles that kind of lie at that intersection of, what actually requires a computer and what doesn't. It's kind of a fuzzy distinction, but this one's definitely very hard. So that's the faceted Traheptrix. Thank you.